Lightroom has catalogs. It basically has, so in this one, I have like hundreds of thousands of photos. So this file is like all the photos that I have, and then this one is lighter. But basically when you open Lightroom, then it knows all the settings and all the photo changes you made to every photo. So after a while it gets very heavy and it gets slower. So I would also recommend, like, every year or every 2 years, or when you feel it's getting slow, just open a new catalog, which what you do is basically you move, like now it uses this catalog. So if I want a new catalog, I just drag it to somewhere else. Then Lightroom doesn't know where it is. I close Lightroom, I open it again, it will tell me catalog is missing. Do you want to find it or do you want to create a new one? So you just say create a new one, and then basically it's like you start from zero. Usually it doesn't save the presets on there. All the settings remain, just like how much photos you had in Lightroom doesn't. And then if you have multiple catalogs, then you can just go into Lightroom and then catalog settings, import another catalog. And then like when you got like for every year, but you're not using all the other years, so you can just like open one of the catalogs, one of the years, the last year for example, and then you import the other catalogs. So you have one catalog for all the years and you have another catalog for right now, what you're using now. And then everything is much faster and simpler. And then if you did a mistake, or when you take the catalog off, you can always bring it back, and then you can double click it and it will open Lightroom when you close it. You double click the catalog and it knows, like, it remembers all the photos. So you're not deleting anything, nothing is going away, it's all good. But that's a bit the nerdy side of like how to make it as fast as possible.